Hello, I'm Blake Ortner, Project Director for ExploreMars Incorporated In Situ Resource Utilization Challenge, or ISRU. One of the greatest challenges to space exploration is launch costs. Today, it costs about $10,000 to put a pound into orbit. While new launch vehicles like SpaceX's Falcon 9 show great promise for reducing these costs, it can be anticipated that without a dramatic breakthrough, costs will remain high for the foreseeable future. While we may not be able to drastically reduce the cost of getting a pound to orbit, we may be able to reduce the number of pounds we have to take. If humanity is ever going to engage in sustainable human exploration of the solar system, we will have to learn how to use the indigenous resources. When America went to the moon, astronauts took everything they needed with them: food, water, oxygen, fuel, and shelter. But when explorers set out from Europe for the New World, they did not bring all their food, their water, firewood, and building supplies. When they arrived in the New World, they used the resources they found, in situ, in position, or in its original place. When Lewis and Clark set out to explore the West, they also used what they found along the way. They lived off the land. When we reach out further into space, we will have to do the same. If we don't, everything must come from Earth at enormous cost and complexity. This makes any large-scale exploration and settlement plans unrealistic. The purpose of the ExploreMars ISRU Challenge is meant to both expand the information on ISRU, but also to challenge students and universities to become interested in space exploration projects. While currently in the beginning phases, ExploreMars expects to launch the contest in early 2011, with the contest completion planned for mid-2012. This will give university or college teams, as well as private and public companies, the time needed to develop the ISRU devices that will compete. While not aimed at developing flight-ready hardware, the contest is designed to advance ISRU technology development through strict guidelines on maximum weight, volume, power use, and device efficiency. The contest will be oriented around a design to support requirements of a Mars sample return mission, in particular, the manufacture of fuel for the return flight. To add a touch of reality to the contest, as well as flair and excitement, the culmination event is currently planned, during which fuel produced by the device will be used in the test firing of an actual rocket engine. But possibly most important to the competing teams, a grand prize of $50,000 is planned for the team that produces the greatest amount of fuel above a designated minimum. While the final guidelines are still being developed, ExploreMars is already in discussions with organizations to support the contest. The ExploreMars ISRU Challenge is only a first step, but it is a step that we hope will be the first of many. Steps that will not only develop better technologies that can use the resources found in space, but that may also lead to development of other products that can help take us off our home to a new home among the stars. Keep watching, there's more to come.